Let's go. Oh my god. Look at this, my friend. What is that? See? A lot of muddy car here. Very nice, my friend. Very good. Let's see, my friend. What is this? Oh my god. Looks so muddy. No problem. Okay, let's go, my friend. We are going to clean them up. Wow, my friend. Very nice. What is going to be after a cleanup, my friend? We know. It's obvious. Let's go. Oh, this is a fresh water. Nice. Let's see, what is this, my friend? Okay, what is this? Okay. Whoa, lighting liquid.
Did like this too. Francesco, I'd like you to meet Signorina Sally. It is a
very nice McQueen, my friend. Lit one. Okay, nice. McQueen. And what is this, my friend? Oh, this is a Formula 1. Good. Formula 1. Okay. What is this, my friend? See? Oh, this is Jack Sunstrom, my friend. Jack Sunstrom.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were out here because...
Beautiful, amazing. Okay. And what is this? Oh my god, it's just Sari. Okay. Let's go, Sari. Good. This is my brain. Oh my god, amazing. This is a foolish car. White one, foolish car. See, what is this? Oh, matter. Nice tomato. Very good. Clean. Hey. What is this, my friend? Double cabin Jeep. I like it. Okay, good. Use this one. What is this? Oh my god, this is the blue one. Very nice.
Hey boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
See? Good. Good. Hi, this is a Tayo blue one. Okay, Tayo.
Pat!
Kyle,
What's going on?
over there.
Huh?
Tayo. What is this, my friend? Alright, this is a rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Very nice. Rally car. What is this? Amazing. It's Rollo tandem. Okay. Good. And this one, what is this, my friend? Oh, I know. This is a snow tractor. Beautiful. Good. Okay. What is this? Tayo again, Tayo. The red one. Beautiful Tayo. Okay. Oh, the big one. What is this? Oh, big truck, my friend. See? Alright, the big truck. Hi. What is this? Look, my friend. Very nice. This one, what is this? Alright. Oh, sorry. This is a plane, my friend. Very good. What else? This one is a camel. Beautiful camel. Okay. And what is this? Okay, this is a loader. See my friend? Loader. Okay. And this one is kind of Molen car. Yes, it is. Very nice. Clean. Hey. What this is, my friend? Alright, this is a fire rescue. Very nice fire rescue. And this one is a monster trap. See my friend? The big one. Hey. And what is this, my friend? Okay, this is a rally car again. Rally car. Beautiful, my friend. What is this, my friend? Okay, this is Jeep, my friend. Very nice Jeep. Okay. Aha, the yellow one. This is a Ramirez. My friend. Okay, nice Ramirez. Go, Ramirez. What is this? Alright, this is a Thomas.
Oh, the indignity! Which pongy engine is in charge here?
Beautiful. Nice. Maisie. What is this, my friend? Alright, it's a rally car. Okay, or race maybe for us. Okay, what is this, my friend? This is big truck. Gold mining. Very nice. Hey, this one is the Tayo, the green one.
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Nice, Tayo. Blim. The last one. Amazing, my friend. What is this? This is a drag race, my friend.
71 Ford, but we watched this guy go down a racetrack. The nitrous engine, all those kits.
See? Very nice. Okay,